male stress system is different. Science is finally clear on this. Men don't burn out the same way women do. We lock up. We shut down. We go silent. Your fight or flight system was built for danger. Not deadlines, not pressure, not holding everything together for everyone. A text you haven't replied to? Ping. That bill reminder? Ping. A problem you haven't gotten to yet? Ping. Every one of those is a tiny threat your brain tags as handle now or else. That's not laziness. That's biology. The hidden problem men face. You absorb stress but don't release it. Women talk it out. Kids play it out. Men? We internalize it like a vault. You're not emotionless. You're emotionally silent. And silence comes with a price. Short fuse. Heavy chest. Random anger. Brain fog. Feeling off but not knowing why. Your body is basically saying, "Bro, I need maintenance." The masculine recovery system. No candles. No spa playlists. No bubble baths. Just what the male nervous system actually responds to. 1. Physical discharge before mental relaxation. You cannot think your way out of stress. Your body must burn it off first. A 10 to 15-minute brisk walk, 20 push-ups, a cold shower, something that signals to your brain, the danger is over, we're safe. Only after that will your thoughts calm down. 2. The 3-minute check-in. Most men don't need a therapist. They need awareness. Once a day, ask yourself, what am I carrying that nobody knows about? Say it out loud. Write it down. Drop the armor for 180 seconds. Your brain can't clean what you hide from it. 3. Tech boundaries equals testosterone boundaries. Men's focus is built on dopamine consistency, not chaos. Every notification drags your brain from hunter mode into panic mode. Turn off non-essential alerts. Move the phone away during deep work. Don't sleep with it in reach. Your attention is a weapon, but only if it's not being hijacked. The heavy feeling you can't explain? That's emotional backlog. Stuff you didn't deal with. Stuff you didn't say. Stuff you didn't let yourself feel. Your nervous system stores it like unfinished downloads. That's why you wake up tired even after 8 hours. Your brain is doing maintenance on overload. Men need rituals, not motivation. Motivation fades. Systems protect you. Here's your self-care system. 1. The morning reset. Before touching your phone, sit still for 60 seconds. Breathe deep. Check your mental battery. 2. The daily sweat. Move your body in a way that feels challenging but not punishing. 3. The boundary hour. 1 hour every evening without screens, decisions, or noise. 4. The weekly shutdown. 1 day or 1 evening where you do nothing productive. Rest is not weakness, it's strategy. Why this matters? Because men don't break loudly. We break quietly. Inside first, outside later. Self-care isn't soft, it's self-preservation. It's leadership. It's the discipline of making sure the engine doesn't blow while you're still on the road. You're not falling apart. You're overloaded. Give your nervous system what it actually needs, and you'll feel like you upgraded your entire life. If this gave you clarity, hit like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which part hit home for you.